Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a video about deep cleaning your carpets and your rugs. It's autumn here at the moment, which means we're going out for lovely autumn walks and things like that, but we are traipsing in all the mud, and we've got cats and we've got a dog and 3 kids, and even though I have a no shoes on the carpet rule, invariably like the pets go on it, or one of the kids will forget something and then run up the stairs, so the carpets do end up getting dirty. So today I thought I'd show you how I clean them. Now I've got a Rug Doctor here, which is a carpet cleaning machine, and you can also clean upholstery with it. I was sent it for the purpose of this video, just to be clear. I always looked at them before in the shops and thought they were huge, but and it is quite big, but it's actually really easy to use. It's quite lightweight when you're pulling it along. It's got a really handy tool attachment, which means you can do your upholstery and your stairs and any sort of nooks and crannies that you can't reach with the big Rug Doctor, even though it does go right up to the edges of your skirting board. So the main machine does a lot of it itself anyway. So basically I'm just going to clean the stairs, the hallway, my bedroom, and a couple of the rugs that we have in the house, and just film myself cleaning. I'm using the Rug Doctor cleaning product. Yeah, I'm just going to clean, and hopefully it will be lovely and fresh and gorgeous afterwards. As you can see, this is the current state of our stairs. They're just looking generally grubby from all the feet going up them. So I'm using this Rug Doctor detergent. It's really easy to use. You pour it into the measuring cap, and then you pour it into the clean water tank, which you just fill up with warm water right from the tap. So easy to do. So first off, I'm going to set about cleaning the stairs. I've just put the Rug Doctor at the top of the stairs, and I work down about halfway. The hose is quite long, so it reaches about halfway, and then I go up again from the bottom, so I've done the whole stairs. Here's a really good example of how easy it is to get stains out of the carpet using the tool attachment. You just spray the detergent all over, give it a little scrub with the brush head, and then suck the water back up. So quick, and the stain is completely gone. Oh my gosh, that is the colour of the water that I got from the stairs. That is thoroughly disgusting. Can you see that? So once I've cleaned the stairs, I start cleaning the landing. As you can see, it's quite an awkward space, and the Rug Doctor is quite big, but it's very easy to manoeuvre. As you can see, the Rug Doctor is really easy to use. You literally just wheel it forwards on its wheels and drag it backwards across the carpet really slowly, and it washes and sucks up all in one movement. After cleaning the landing, the stairs and my bedroom, I get to work on the rugs. Now I didn't think these rugs would be as dirty as they are, but they really are. When the clean tank runs out of water, it's really easy to change. You can just leave the Rug Doctor where it is, just take the tank out and refill it and pop it back in. On this sofa is a stain. I don't know how well you can see it in the light. I think you can see it, sort of a brownish stain, so I'm going to use the upholstery tool to try and give that a clean. So there we are, my carpets and rugs are all clean. Can you believe how disgustingly dirty they were? I'm actually really amazed because these carpets have only been down not even 2 years, and as I said, we have a no like shoes on the carpet kind of rule. I just did not realise how filthy things got. I'm definitely going to be using this more often. Like every couple of months I can see myself cleaning the carpets now. It's quite like, only takes a couple of hours to do. If you do it in the morning, open all the doors so the carpet's dry, it doesn't leave them too wet. Yes, so then hopefully they'll be dry by the time the kids come home from school. And oh, it's so much nicer knowing that they're not disgustingly dirty and they're all clean, isn't it? So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Do give me a thumbs up. I've left links below to the Rug Doctor products I've used in the description box. Go and check those out. And do take a look at my other cleaning videos. I'm doing lots of cleaning at the moment because I'm nesting. So take a look at those. So anyway, big thank you to Rug Doctor for sending me this to review. I've really enjoyed using it and I can tell I'm going to use it loads.